Alright guys, and welcome to another day, another property tour. So today I'm out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley in this community called Montalado by KB Homes. This is the biggest floor plan. There's so many configurations on here. So on this one is the 3066 model. It is a 2-story. You have an option for a 4-bedroom to 5 bedrooms, right? 2.5 to 5 bath with a 2-car garage. All right, let's go inside. Let's see what this thing has. Now on this one right here, the base price, this is actually the E elevation, is $508,390. Now HOAs are $52 a month. Now the lot premiums are about $25,000 to about $32,000. But look how large this one is. There's so many options and configurations that you can do to this. This is like one of the most popular models. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start off with the backyard here real quick. I do have a client that's gonna be showing up, and she'll probably be watching this video too as well. Now these lots are pretty decent size on the lot. Beautiful view fencing, 215 and right there. Now this is the reason why the lots are a little bit bigger, but remember everything's all negotiable too as well. You have an option to put some cameras and cover patio, okay? Now the landscaping, that's something that you would have to do on your own. We have a nice dual pane window with an 8-foot slide. These are some vinyl slides. Now let's take a look at the cabinets. These I believe are the birch cabinets 42. You can definitely do the upgrades on the cabinets here. And this one, they did a option with the cook countertops, which is, I think this is the best feature to have for this model. You have a dishwasher here, under-mounted sinks, and nice gooseneck as well. Let's take a look at our pantry. Coming into the pantry, a little bit small for the pantry, okay? Some of these cabinets, I definitely do some hardware. I love the color of this luxury vinyl wood. You got 9-foot ceilings, which is, you need 9-foot ceilings for this model right here. I'm gonna try to talk as much as I can right over this music so that way I don't get demonetized. You have a thermostat right here, which is one of your main thermostats. You have options for Traverse LED lights. Here, you can actually make a bedroom, close this off too as well. Here's your garage. So coming over here, we can actually make this into a full-on suite or a office. All this would go, you would have a wall here and it would show this office, but I think this is the best configurations that your money can get you on a resale value. That's right, that's the reason why you would actually hire us, because we're gonna walk you through the spec of the home. We're gonna take a look at the building options, what you can do as far as structurally, because we always look on the resale value, right? So we wanna net you the highest amount of return on the spec. So there are certain items that just needs to be done with this home, okay? Now, let's take a look at this. We have a bathroom right here, okay? Here's a half bath for the guest. Now, this is basically being used as for a public restroom. Here's also your linen closet too as well. The banister here, this is all an upgrade, okay? I definitely would do 8-foot doors. Here's additional closet space. I can't wait to show you the primary and how large it is. All right, let's make our way upstairs. And you do have an option for a pony wall or a banister just like this. However, this is what I want you to think about. If you do this, right, are you putting your furniture against this wall? If you are, then you need this pony wall. What's nice about this is if you do a banister, this opens up everything more. However, what happens is you can't put a piece of furniture there. It's gonna end up blocking it, okay? Keep that in mind. Also, depending on the direction, if you want your TV here or on this wall. Coming into the primary, this right here, you do have an option to do like a little bar area. This could be a single door, so that way you have some more room. 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Pretty decent size for the primary. Now I know I'm blasting through this fast. I do apologize. I'm just getting it today. Here's your closet. Now the closet is a pretty decent size here. Definitely you would have to do 2 levels of cabinets. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom, we have the luxury laminate. Now some of these cabinets are crooked, however they're gonna go ahead and fix that here. Then we have our shower. Here you could do the configuration, the tub shower, if you choose to. Back here we have our water closet. That's right. So now let's make our way back here. Blasting through this very quick. I love this loft area. Now as we come down this hallway here, right off to the left, I believe this is the bathroom. They did the upgrade here on the extra sink. You do have the tub shower combo 4-piece fiberglass. Remember, do not etch that fiberglass. Once you etch it, you are completely done. This is an upgrade that I definitely would do with a double sink. Over here to the right, we have our laundry room with the drain pan, which is a plus, and our attic access right above. Great call on that. Here is another bedroom. This is a pretty decent sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. Let's see how large this walk-in closet. Not as big as of a walk-in closet. However, again, it is what it is. This is more of a starter home. We have, what is this, a linen closet. We have 2 inches on the casings around the door. Coming into the, what, third bedroom? I don't even know already. So here's your walk-in closet with this window. I love the window. Not bad, right? 3 rocker switch. Remember, you do have the option on this one to do 4-can lighting. Guys, please, as much as you can, if you don't buy a home from me, buy it from somebody else and help you walk you through the process. Make sure you guys do get the lighting. Also, I'm not busy. I want to earn your business. Some people, they don't call me because they feel like I'm too busy, or they feel like they can't call me because I'm bigger than I really appear to be online. No, I'm just your average person. Right, just trying to earn your business, a hard-working guy. I'm cool as hell, believe it or not. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.